from English department of University English, and now I want to practice vowel sound. I will practice E sound, E sound, E sound, and then E sounds, and E sound, E sound, and the last A sound, A sound, A sound, A sound. Let's practice. E sound, E sound for study, mathematics, university, chill, 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 and A sound, we can smile. A sound, A sound, A sound for a sleek, sleek. Next, peace, peace, and then degree, degree, and the last, repeat, repeat, repeat. And the next vowel sound is as example, never, 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 never. Smell, smell. Pass, pass, pass. And this one, check, check. And the last vowel sound is a sound, a sound. Example, glad, glad, calm, calm, run, run, and the last, head, head, head. Okay, this video or my segment. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.